Hi, honey. Yeah, for the 9A grant, we have more textures here. So let me show you. First of all, this one, the wave is very similar to loose wave, but it's it's flat. It's flat without a tangle. Yeah, it's a little bit different. We call it big dip. Yeah. Let me know if you like it, want to try it. Anytime. We have store in here. Many. Okay, and then is a water wave. Water wave. And then is a kinky curly. Yeah, very curly. It's not so popular with the deep wave, but it's some people they like it more because it's it's very curly, very soft, and you can even dye it into any color you want it. Okay. And then here, oh, this is our blonde. Yeah, you didn't. You try. Yeah, you tried a different brand. You didn't try it before. But it's not full length in store now. Sometimes we run out some lengths, but it's very popular and very nice. You see, because if some people they want to dye it, and this is perfect for them. Okay. Yeah. We can try. We have a lot of time, and we can try any of them. Depend on your website and depend on the market. Yeah, we can try them all. And I got local office for you, so we can restore accordingly for you. Okay, let me know. What hair we can start with now. And now the 9A grant supplying is is still normal, and we have store for them, getting more restore in local too. So because the price is better, so I will recommend you to try it first. Yeah, and when people they looking for more higher quality for the hair, and then we got all this for you. Okay, yeah, let me know if you want to check more